Alright, I'm trying to pull my injector cups on a 2003 Duramax LB7 motor. You need to get a concrete anchor. I got a 6-inch. You can go longer. So you get a 6-inch, 3/4 inch diameter. Then you're gonna get a piece of pipe just big enough to fit over the bolt and the nut, and that way you have plenty of room above there. You're going to take a washer and another nut, put it on top of there. Alrighty, I'm going to go for injector cup number 3. So you take your anchor, put it inside the injector cup, tighten the bolt, or tighten the nut so the bottom can expand in the cup. Like that. You're going to take and tighten it up nice and snug. Going to take your piece of pipe, put it right over there. Put your washer on top. Put your other nut on there. Tighten it down. Like so. You're going to take your ratchet and just tighten it down. This is easier than taking out your injectors. And it will pull right out. And there's your injector cup right there. Comes out real nice and easy. Don't have to spend a lot of money to get the right tool. This anchor bolt only costs about $4. You can get it, I believe, at Lowe's, or I got this one at my local hardware store. I found a pipe that fit over the nut and cut it. Works really easy, saves a lot of money. Thank you for watching.